one thing, and in plural there are more than one thing. With changing singular to plural, we use this different way. In maximum noun, we just add s and make it plural. Example: boy, boys. For the noun ending with fe and f, we remove f and fe and add ves into the noun and then change it to plural. Example: knife. We remove fe and add ves and it changes to knives. In the noun live, we remove f and we add ves and make it plural: leaves. In the noun ending with ch, sh and box, we add es. Example: bench, benches, fish, fishes, box, boxes. For the noun ending with y, we remove y and add ies and make it plural: ferries. Now we will move to a chapter irregular noun. Irregular noun are different from regular noun. Irregular noun plurals are changed not by adding or removing the words as we are changing in regular noun. In irregular noun, it has a special plural. Irregular noun plural are changed by changing its vowel, changing its spelling, or adding different ending into the noun. Now first we will see changing vowel. First we will see what are vowels. Vowels are a, e, I, o, and u. In this, you have to change the vowel present in the noun to make it plural. Example: ma and man, we will change a and write e and change it to plural. Goose, we will remove double o and will write e double e and make it plural: geese. Foot, feet, tooth, pig. This way we will change the noun to plural. Now by changing its spelling. So your person is singular, means one person, and when we are changing it to plural, it becomes people. People is plural and person is singular. Mouse, mice, louse, lice. The way to change irregular noun to plural is adding different ending. Example: child, children, ox, oxen, cactus, cacti. This is the way we change the singular irregular noun to plural. Now there is one more thing in this irregular noun, in which the spellings the noun are the same. We cannot change it. Example: scissors, pen, bicycle, deer, and sheep. The spellings in this are same in singular and plural both.
Now students, we will see exercise of this chapter. Here you have been shown some example which I shown you on the board. Foot, feet, child, children, man, men, woman, woman, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice, ox, oxen. Now here in first exercise you have to match the singular noun with the plural noun. Here example is given: woman with woman. Same way you have to complete this exercise by matching the singular noun with the plural noun. In this exercise you have to underline singular noun and circle plural noun. While doing this exercise you will think it's quite tough, but if you take few points in mind, it is very easy. Say first one: I see a deer with a broken leg. Two other deer are standing near it. Here, before deer, a is given. A means it's used for singular. So, this is singular and it is underlined. In second standard, before deer, two is given. Two means more than one, means plural. So, it is circled. Here in second, most bison have long and sharp horn, but the bison in the zoo has no horn. Here bison, before bison, most is given, means they are talking about all the bisons in the world. So here all the bisons means it is plural, so this is plural. Here before bison, the bison is given, means they are talking about the bison present in the zoo. Only one bison, means it is singular. In third one, the farmer has only one black sheep. All the other sheep are white. Here, before sheep, one is given. One means singular, so it is a singular. We will underline it. Here, before ship, all is given. All means more than one, so it's plural. So here this ship is plural. Plus here R is also given. So R is also a plural one. Next, there is a big fish in the basket, but many small fish jump back into the water. Here, before this fish, A is given. Again, A is for singular, so this is singular. And here before fish, many is given. Many is plural. So here this fish will be circled as it is plural. Here fifth one, there are many antelope in the wood near my house. An antelope came into my garden one day. Here before antelope, many is given. Plus R is also given. So it is plural. So here we will circle it. And here before antelope, N is given. So it is singular. So we will underline it. Here, 6 number, 3 aircraft are standing in line. Our aircraft is the second one. Here, before aircraft, 3 is given. And here R is given. So it is a plural. So we will circle it. And here, our aircraft is. Here is means singular. So here we will underline the word aircraft as it is singular. Now here in this exercise, you have to read the blank and you have to choose the word from the help box given and fill in the blanks. First, grandfather wear his dash only while reading. What can a grandfather use while reading? Spectacles. Second, I wear dash and black shoes to school. What do you wear with shoes? Socks. We use a pair of dash to cut cloth and paper. What do you use to cut cloth and paper? To cut, we use scissors. If the iron is too hot, it can burn a hole in my new cotton dash. What is the work of iron? We iron our clothes. And what is cloth over here? Trouser and pajama. But why one would iron a pajama? So here we will write the answer trouser. Next, I wear my dash at bedtime. What do you wear at bedtime? So here we will write pajamas. Dash help to protect the eyes from sun. What does protect eyes? Sunglasses. To protect from sun, sunglasses. So here we will be writing sunglasses. Now here in this exercise, see the picture and fill the blanks with the plural form. First, the cat cannot catch the dash. Here you can see mouse. 2 mouse means plural of mouse is mice. Grandmother has hurt her dash. What you can see here? Here foot is given. The plural of foot means feet. So here we will write feet. The dash moved loudly. Here you can see 2 cow. So plural of cow is cows. Fourth, you must brush dash twice a day. So what do you brush? Your teeth. So here we will be writing teeth. The dash are blue in color. What is given here? Socks. So here we will writing socks. Here 2 birds are given and they are geese. So here we will writing geese cackle noisily. 7. The dash are eating ice cream. Here we can see children. So here we will be writing children. Here you can see fish. So some fishes are playing in the pond. Here we will write fishes. Now here in this exercise, you have to strike out the incorrect plural and write the correct one. You have to read whole paragraph and you have to find the mistake where the mistake is. Suddenly there is an earthquake. Amit quickly put on his shoes and ran out of the house. Grandfather finds it difficult to stand on his foot. Grandfather cannot stand on foot. So here is the mistake. Here one foot is, they are not talking about one foot. They are talking about feet. So here it is a mistake. Anil helps him to find his glass before going out of the house. Why would one go out with a glass? So here they are talking about glasses. Glasses means which the grandfather wear on his eyes. So glasses. In the nearby woods, the deer are standing still. The mouse are. Here are is given but mouse is singular. So here also it is a mistake. You will strike it out and write mice are scuttling out of their hole. Many men, women and child. Here are is given and here many is given. So both are plural, but these three things are given singular. So men, woman and child will change. MEN men, WOMEN women, and here children will come. Anil clenches his tooth in fear. One tooth he cannot clench. Means here teeth will come. As two sheep and an ox start running around wildly in a nearby field. Here this line is proper. So here we will not change anything. Now students, here there is an activity which you will love to do it. As you have learned whole chapter, it is very easy to do. Here you have to find the name of this picture in the box and you have to color it yellow. It's very easy, you will love to do it. You have to do whole chapter in the textbook itself. You don't have to write it in the notebook. Enjoy the chapter. Answers will be given you on the next day. Thank you.